Hey guys, what's going on? Jet Scott here, and we are finally going to finish these emblems for Dad's car. Got the correct tail panel RT emblem on its way. We got two of these grill emblems and just doing a test with this one. So here's what we're doing to restore these fancy little emblems. Let me just pop a squat. We're going to be listening to some Marty Robbins on my radio. That's my dad's record player. My old Harman Kardon 430 twin receiver. So we're going to be jamming out. Of course, I'll be jamming to that. You guys will get my standard non-licensed free music. So here's what we're doing. The Hemi emblems, they get a brushed finish. I've painted all these in a nice strong black to protect them. And they're just going to get mounted on this here block and sanded smooth to an even finish. The RT emblems will be the same way to get them nice and flat, to reveal the raised edge here, which should be chrome, but it'll be a brushed finish now, which will still look pretty good. It'll look kind of like that one. We might get it on the buffing wheel and polish it. And then inside will be painted red with some gloss red enamel from Testers. Hopefully that'll work good. And then this is the tail panel. This is one of Dad's original emblems. And I painted the outsides of this the other day. Of course, the camera makes it look like poop. Don't really bother me a whole lot. We're going to come in and redarken all this in black by hand. And then we're going to polish this chrome with some 4/0 steel wool. Brand new piece. And that's basically all we're going to do. And we got my prison shank X-Acto knife I use for my models. We're going to use that to clean up any residue black paint that was in tight areas we can't sand off. So that's what we're doing. Hope you guys get some sort of education out of this and enjoy as we restore these original 68 to 70 Hemi emblems, grill emblem for Dad's 68 RT Charger, and tail panel emblems. So I hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Bye. guys go. Red paint's drying. We're going to go over it again. Hemi emblems are done. Charger's done. Don't need to do that RT emblem, so I'll see you once everything's done. Hope you're enjoying. Bye. There we go, guys. You have watched this in super speedy fashion. All of these turned out pretty nice. They got a nice grain to them. Of course, that won't really show up. Excuse me, I had a burp. Every time I start to record a video, that happens. Yeah, I took these outside and hit them with my Scotch Brite pad on my right angle die grinder just to burn off all of the old chrome that was already kind of scraped off. So I got them down to the bare die cast metal and then gave them a nice grain with some 220 grit. As far as this Charger emblem goes, it turned out really good. I mean, it's not perfect by any means. You got pitting chrome, but it'll look good from that far away on the back panel of Dad's 68 Charger. And this is the grill emblem, which is getting warmed up in my desk lamp, which gets really hot, so it's perfect. But we got this just how it's supposed to be. Got some imperfections in the die cast metal, which you can see right about there. But yeah, it's going to look really cool in the grill, just right there. You know, I got a Charger emblem right here. It's broken. So that's what that'll look like in the grill. That'll be pretty sweet. I did have some issues with paint. That's why this video took so long to actually get finished. But I appreciate the patience, my friends. Just wanted to get this out to y'all. Get you something cool to watch. So all the emblems are ready to rock and roll and go on that car. And there's that grain, you can see it. It's not perfect graining, but it's how it's supposed to be from what I understand. And either way, if it's not correct, it don't matter. It's going to be cool regardless. I didn't do my extra RT grill badge. I'll just put this away in case I ever need it. Maybe I'll put it in Jezebel just for shits and giggles. Don't know yet. So I got a spare one of these. Waiting on the tail panel RT emblem to get here. It's supposed to be already refinished, but we'll see if it matches that one because I want them all to match. But anyways, guys, just want to go ahead and restate it again. You know, I really appreciate all of your guys' support. Let's get this camera to sit still. I appreciate all your support. You guys are just absolutely amazing. I can't say it enough. If I wasn't genuine about everything I say, I wouldn't take the time to sit down and reply to every single comment. You guys are just absolutely awesome. And yeah, I got a haircut and it's probably all messed up, but that's okay. Yeah, I appreciate everything you guys do for me. You know, I could call it a ego inflator, but I don't really have much of an ego. Yeah, it's absolutely astounding for someone like me to get this kind of support and attention. And I know I drive a very flamboyant set of cars, like an attention seeker, but I'm not. I build the things the way I think they should be built, the way I like it. And I appreciate all you guys digging my style. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to cut the video here in a few seconds. And hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.